Hello local business owners, welcome back to Growth Signal. Today I am going to share another Google Ads live audit. In this video we are going to look at how to a local HBC businesses is losing thousands of dollars on Google Ads every month. They are making two massive mistakes. Number one, a broken landing page, and number two, zero conversion tracking. I will break down exactly how these two mistakes are hurting their business and destroying their profit. So let's jump. Now let's understand the buyer mindset first. When someone searches for an emergency AC repair in Miami, that means their house is hot, their family is uncomfortable, and they need help right now. So they are not looking to read long paragraph. They just want to press a button to talk to a real person. But when they click these paid ads, looking where they land. Okay, so they land on a empty page. So if I click on their landing page, okay, so first a massive bounce rate. When a customer land on a blank screen with no photos, no headlines, no clear information, they think the website is broken or fake. They click at the back button in less than 2 seconds. Okay, so second, direct money wastage. In competitive cities like Miami, we know a single click on Google Ads was 10 to 15 or even $20. If 10 people click every day and leave instantly, that's $150 a day or over $4,000 a month going to straight down the drain with zero phone calls. Okay, and third, giving customer to competitors. The worst part is the customer still needs their AC fixed. Okay, so when they leave this page, they click on the next competitor and give them their business. So this company is actually paying Google to lose customer to their rivals. And number two, zero conversion tracking. Okay, so now let's look at the problem number two, which is an even bigger disaster, zero conversion tracking. So when I am check their website with Google Tag Assistant, as you can see it says no tag found. Okay, let me explain in the detail why this is killing their ad performance. First, Google bidding is blind. Modern Google ads relies on smart bidding algorithms. When someone calls your business or fill out a form, a tracking tag sends a signal back to Google. So Google then uses its AI to find more people who looked and act like that paying customer. Okay, and second one, wasting budget on bad clicks because there are no tracking tags here. Okay, so Google gets zero signal. Google has no idea if a click results in a 1000 USD AC repair job or if person left in 1 second. So as a result, Google can't optimize. It keeps spending your daily budget or random low quality clicks for people who never buy. And third one, you can't measure the ROI. As a business owner, if you don't track conversion, you can never know your true return on investment. You are just throwing money at Google every month and hoping for the best without knowing which keyword or which ad is actually making you money. Okay, so now I will discuss about the solution. So how do we fix this campaign and turn it into a profitable customer machine? Here is the exact two step the solution. Step number one, create a dedicated high converting landing page. Stop sending paid traffic to a contact page like this page. Okay, and build a fast mobile optimized landing page with a huge click to call button to right at the top. Add a bold headline like 24 emergency AC repair in Miami. Show customer reviews and display photos of your team to build instant trust. Okay, and step number two, set up proper conversion tracking. Use Google Tag Manager to track every single phone call, click to call button, and from submit. Feed this data back into Google Ads so the algorithm learns who your real customers are and bring you more booked jobs. So if you run a Google Ads for your businesses, go check your landing page today. Click your own ad like a customer and check your tracking is actually working. Many businesses have this same issue. And if you want a free audits for your running campaign, drop a comment or send me a message. I will take a look for your running campaign. I mean health checkup. So for this audit, you will know exactly have any issues on your campaigns and how you can generate best performance from the Google Ads, and how your competitors position. Okay, so if this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.